Milwaukee police say the driver of a white SUV you see there still on the run tonight. Someone crashed into a building and left 2 passengers dead.
It happened on June 28th, leaving behind so much destruction. The building is in some need of some serious repair. It's home to an organization that helps build confidence and self-esteem for disadvantaged girls in Milwaukee. Fox 6's Gabrielle Mays joining us now live from the newsroom. And Gabby, you got a chance to speak with the organization's founder.
Yeah, that's right, Mary. The organization is called Glow 414. The founder tells me more people could have died that day if the crash happened hours later. For the owner, this isn't about the building. It's about how her organization still stands strong through the lives of those she's helped over the years.
Milwaukee Med 83 is responding, 23rd and Hopkins.
June 28th is a day Mikkel Daniels will never forget.
I couldn't believe it.
She took Fox 6 inside her building.
Just all the bricks is pictures. We came in here the other day to make sure we got the filing cabinets.
On June 28th, this white SUV crashed into the building. The driver took off, leaving behind 2 passengers who died here.
It's still emotional for me.
Daniels tries not to focus on the past.
This is not the end of Glow. This is a building.
Instead, she remains committed to her organization, Glow 414.
Once they get to Glow and they feel the energy, because it's bigger than me, and when something opens up inside of them, I just always say, just make it to the door.
Daniels helps girls in the Milwaukee metro area like Paris Wright.
I needed this.
Glow 414 started in 2017 and flourished, now helping 150 girls.
We learned how to become a woman. We had high standards. We had hopes. We made goals. It was just, we had positive role models.
Daniels chooses to stay positive, be a good influence for her Glow 414 girls, and keep the vision she has for this building.
I help those who not always see that they need help, but I help those who need to be helped.
Now, Daniels says Glow 414 has temporarily moved to the collective at Bayshore. Glow also has a GoFundMe to help restore that building. We have a link on fox6now.com. Ted?
Gabby Mays, thank you.